XRP holders, so it begins. Donald Trump just hosted key executives at the White House. Brad Garlinghouse was there, and the internet is going crazy right now, posting a lot of riddles, specifically from Bearable Guy. So in this video, there's something extremely insane I need to share with you. There's another meeting happening in the next 24 hours, and it's very important that you know what's going on. Plus, a bank in Korea is replacing Swift with Ripple. And on top of that, over there in Korea, there's a national defense drill taking place. You can't make this up. These riddles right here are too strange just to call a coincidence, so it begins. People are calling for the bottom right now, and is that actually true, or do we have lower to go after this retracement rally is done? We're gonna get into the XRP price chart by the end of this video and what's about to happen next. So comment 777 if you guys are feeling blessed, if you're feeling bullish, and let's run it. Hey, real quick before we get into the video, if you've got crypto that's just sitting in your wallet collecting dust and you want to earn some side income from that, then come hang out with us this Saturday for a free 3-day challenge. We'll show you how to earn daily passive yield on the crypto that you already hold. You're not going to sell it. You're not going to lock it up. You're not even going to day trade it. Not a lot of crypto holders are knowledgeable about DeFi or how to do this. And that's the whole point of this free challenge. So by the end, you'll have your first yield position up and earning, stacking a bigger portfolio for whenever the bull run finally shows up. Now, as with anything that's free, you know that we got to put a cap on this. So it's going to be first come, first serve. So if you click the link in the description and you can sign up, then great, there's still spots available. If not, then you're going to have to wait for the next one, which could be a few months from right now, maybe even a year, because we don't do these that often. So hurry up and book your seat fast, and I'll see you on Saturday. All right, bull runners, welcome back. So did you guys notice that as the White House event wrapped up, it was Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse who was holding the door open for Donald Trump here. And everyone's saying there's no coincidences because of this image right here from Bearable Guy 123. And it's from the most popular riddle account right here, Bearable Guy 123. Everyone in the XRP communities knows this account. The most recent post was the Christmas Eve one on the moon. But if you scroll down here, you'll see this greenhouse image. And in the greenhouse image, the knight is holding basically the old king, which is the old guard back. So this is signaling basically the old financial system. But what's interesting about this post is it's in a greenhouse here. And if you look up Swift's headquarters, they have a headquarters located in the outskirts of Brussels, and it closely resembles the exact image from this Bearable Guy riddle right here. Literally, if I put them side by side, could this just be a coincidence here? Or is BG123 telling us through this atrium that the old guard, which is the old Swift system, is being replaced by the new, and the knight, which is Brad Garlinghouse, opening the door to make that possible? Well, check this out.